For today, we're learning custom Excel VBA functions, and the function of choice being the Z-score in Excel. Alright, this portion, you're going to want to make sure you're using the right file type. The file type is going to be, micro Excel enabled workbook. Boom, there it is. Save it. Alright, save like that. Next, I usually just make up a random one like this. Click some random shit. Stop recording. Jump to the macros. Step into it. We're in the matrix right now. I want to use the coding provided. So just get rid of all this other stuff. Boom, put it in there. So we're making a public function Z-score. The first value X is a double, the mean second value, and the standard deviation is a double. And here's the function as is. Yep. Okay, we're gonna save it. Now we test out the function. So we'll literally put X here, mean here, standard deviation here. We'll do 22 here, and we'll do 17. Right, and then it should make the Z-score with the following. Boom. Z-score of -1.5. That's crazy. Alright, well, that's basically how you make custom Excel VBA functions using the Z-score in Excel. Thank you.